Hello all, today is the last day of our workshop. Let me summarize the key points of this workshop along with few tips which helps you to incorporate whatever you have learnt in this workshop in your everyday life. Beginning with basic stretches, we have learnt Chakra Cleansing Asanas, Sun Salutation, Moon Salutation, Bedtime Yoga Asanas for deep and quality sleep, and few other practices in this workshop. Try to practice one sequence a day and be regular in following your practices. Always start your practices with basic stretches which you have learnt on the day 1. Then practice 12 sets of sun salutation, especially those who are focusing to lose weight. People with sleep related issues can practice moon salutation in the evening or bedtime yoga poses in the night. You can do both or any one as per your convenience. To overcome specific chronic conditions, one can perform the respective chakra cleansing sequence on a daily basis. Simple example, to address thyroid related issues, one can practice the sequence learnt for cleansing the Vishuddhi chakra. Likewise, to address digestive disorders, one can practice the sequence to cleanse Swadhisthana or Manipura chakra. To maintain overall well-being, one can follow the daily yoga sequence that I have shared on the 20th day of this workshop. As I always insist, do remember to complete your daily yogasana practices with shavasana relaxation, and never overdo or strain yourself. Always perform at your level of flexibility. Flexibility should be built gradually. The asanas and pranayamams should be within the limit of the physical ability and the flexibility. Perform yogasanas to your level of comfort, and don't put yourself in pain to achieve perfection in a pose. In the process of practicing asanas, do not compare yourself with others. Everybody is unique, so always compare you with yourself. Observe the progress in your flexibility, strength and stamina. By now, you should have learnt the power of subconscious mind and the process of tuning it in, successfully achieving your goals. So please do meditate and practice positive affirmations every day to train your subconscious mind. We are what we eat. As explained in this workshop, following Sattvic diet will help to heal any kind of chronic conditions. Always keep in mind that food is the medicine. Yogic breathing, mindful eating, meditation, never miss these simple yet powerful practices. By now, you're no more a beginner with what you have practicing and learning so far. I'm happy that most of you were able to follow the entire workshop, and it is absolutely okay to miss few tasks in between. But I request you to keep doing what you have learnt. Let this not just be 21 days. Let it continue as a part of your life. You're always welcome to reach me for any guidance. Motivate yourself to stay healthy and happy. I believe whatever you take away from this workshop will be helpful to establish a healthy lifestyle. My humble request to share your feedbacks on this workshop and any suggestions to improve my workshop, be it audio, video or text. Your suggestions will truly help me to grow. Last but not the least, I wish you all a very happy and a prosperous new year. Thank you.